is move-in day for our corporate unit. Furniture was delivered today. We're bringing extra things in. So excited. This is the new corporate housing. Got the bed, the dresser, the chair, nightstands. I don't think I needed that extra nightstand. Can't wait to decorate it. Put all the nice little furnishings. That TV is definitely going on the wall for the corporate housing. Get off the bed, dude. So we're excited to venture in this next journey. And as you know, the washer and dryer is there. We gotta get the rest of the pictures. And okay, he's over there trying to decorate, doing a great job. Look at you, look at you. So I'm gonna have to come back because I don't have everything I needed, but I did put that rug down there. So I'm putting everything together in our corporate housing. Again, we have to put the TV up. Got my pictures down here. And you guys wouldn't believe, I got these from the Goodwill. And I'm just gonna verify. Look, that was $6. That nice pretty frame. This whole beautiful frame right here, I got that on the low as well. Let's see how much I paid for that. Look, $12. $12. Can't see because it's blurry, but sorry about that. But look, $12. Hold that, Zay. Trying to show how much, yeah. Look at that, $12. So as I mentioned, I had to go out to get some additional things. I was looking for a bedspread. I have no freaking idea what size bed that is. It is humongous. Kind of reminds me of my bed at home, which is a California King, and it's really hard to find comforters that fit those types of beds. But so I went to different stores. Target was one of the stores I went to. Got to get some great pillows because who doesn't love to lay their head on a pillow that they feel comfortable in? Some nice plush sheets that feel like hotel. That's one tip I want to give you. You want to make sure that your place is like, if not better than a hotel stay. So as you can see, I'm leaving out of Target with all these belongings that I now have purchased, and I'm going to take them in. Got to have that toilet paper too. And I don't know about you, but I don't like no horn toilet paper. All that stuff is stuffed in the back of my SUV, and we're heading on to do some other things here. So we've been working all day, and now we're going to treat ourselves to a delicious dinner. So y'all, it is nothing like a great meal after a long day of work. I typically cook at home, but today was not one of those days. Sister girl wanted to go out and have her that salmon, asparagus, feta cheese, sweet potatoes. My husband had some shrimp fettuccine, and we're just sitting back chilling, relaxing, and thanking God for such grace and such mercy. I got my Moscato too. Don't trip. So today is the day that we bring more stuff in. Had to go to the store and buy some additional things to make it complete. Added a rug in there, still doing some decorating. The youngest is in there getting the bed ready. Teamwork makes the dream work. Hubby's getting ready to put the TV, try to mount it on the wall, but we don't have the mount yet, so he's just gonna get it functional. And I am beginning the decorating process here. So here we go. I'll share everything with you upon its completion. Had to get some cookware right there. And look, nice little gift thing that they gave us upon moving in. Really nice touches. I have to open it up a little later. But we got the bath towels there. This little cute little laundry picture will show the people where the laundry is. Let me see if I can possibly go back here and, well, here's laundry back here. So I have to find somewhere to put this. But we are in the process of getting it together and getting it ready. So upon completion, I will share the reveal with you. So I was telling you all about all the great deals I got at the thrift store. This right here came from the thrift store as well. I'm gonna probably put it up there on that wall. Just depends on how heavy it is. But I think, let's see how much I paid for that. Paid $15 for that. So another great deal at the great Goodwill. So I bought a king size sheet set, and my son and I tried our best to get that on there. For some reason it was not working, so we're gonna have to go get some more sheets. And I don't know, this bed is humongous. Looks like it is probably a California king, but as you can see, the bedspread is not even fitting on there. Got this from the thrift store right here. This nice, beautiful. Got that for about $3. This artwork right here was about $12 at the thrift store, the Goodwill. Each one was $12. It is extremely hot in here. We're trying to figure out how this system works right there. It looks like it's pushing out cold air, so I must have done something right. Got the Wi-Fi code we're gonna put up as soon as we get that together. Hubby is putting a TV together right now. We're gonna eventually put it on the wall there, but right now it's just gonna sit here for a second until we get a rack to put it up there on the wall. The youngest over there getting the kitchen together, and I'm getting ready to hang the portrait. I'm gonna unwrap it to see what they gave us. Looks like a nice little gift. Whoa, they did a great job of packaging that. Wow. Oh wow, super nice. Love it. They gave a card too. Whoa, I think that might be our Wi-Fi code or something that we need. So super good. Wine station. Okay, I'm loving all that. Nice gifts. Got wine glasses. These are too cute. Wow. Granola. That's what I'm talking about. This is high class here. Super cool. And that. All right. So I'm so excited to welcome our new corporate guests to this unit. Got everything ready to go. Live, love, and eat. The kitchen has been designed. Few little things left to do. And it will be, I'm putting it on today. People will be able to come today. And then I also have to hang that up. I didn't have a nail that was heavy enough to put that up there, but here's the bed, nice plush, king size. Actually, it's a California king bed. And I got nice little decoration, simple, but very comfortable. Then a chair in the corner, you can read a book. And then we supply some hangers. I gotta get some more, there's only 5. Gotta get some more, but you can see it's a big, huge closet. So when guests come stay longer than 7 days, they have room to put their clothes in. But I'm just absolutely in love with how things turned out. So ready to get it listed and to start making some ching-ching. The bathroom, those simple pleasures in here. Got the towel, got the hand cream over there, soap, face towels, air freshener, wash your hands. Then I got the towels over here all ready to go. Bath soap in there. Then if there's a few more things in here, if they need it, toilet paper, and then some essentials like toothpaste, hand sanitizer, first aid kit, all that kind of good stuff in here. So really, really excited. We worked hard getting this place together. I'm gonna put some snacks in that box right there. And then I got some water in there for them. Just a couple of things just to make it comfortable for them when they come. So that is
so I would say this place is definitely better than a hotel. This is our entertaining area where you have a huge, humongous theater screen, pool table, bar area. This is the lobby area. You can entertain guests here. You can do business transactions, whatever. This is a wine cabinet that supplies all some great different types of wine, red, white, whatever kind you like. It's a coffee station. This is just an amazing place. So welcome to the rooftop deck. This place is amazing. There's a telescope you can see pretty much all throughout the area of downtown. This is the top of what it looks like from an aerial view. This is our grilling section here where you can invite guests and relax in the jacuzzi. This is our workout room. We have a personal trainer. You can come here and get trained and get fit after you eat all these snacks, okay? And that was a hit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make it a blessed day.